Hey, welcome back to my channel. Business is Money 26. Thank you everyone for showing up for this brand new content, plus I'll be making more videos in the future. So yeah, this channel is about building income for future online entrepreneurs. Let's go. Hey guys, today, I want to talk about creating a successful online business and the role that goal setting plays in achieving that success. When I first started my online business, I had no idea where to start. I had a lot of ideas, but I didn't have a clear plan or direction. That's when I realized the importance of goal setting. Goal setting is the process of identifying what you want to achieve and creating a plan to get there. It's important to set both short-term and long-term goals, and to make sure they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Once you have your goals in place, it's time to take action. This means breaking down your goals into smaller, more manageable tasks and setting deadlines for each one. It also means being consistent and persistent in your efforts, even when things get tough. So, if you are new to the channel, press that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for future notifications for new content from Business is Money 26. Another important aspect of creating a successful online business is tracking your progress. This means regularly checking your analytics and metrics to see how you're doing and making adjustments as needed. Finally, it's important to stay connected with your audience. This means engaging with them on social media, responding to their comments and messages, and creating content that resonates with them. Attending conferences and networking events is also a great way to learn from other successful entrepreneurs and gain new insights into the industry. Collaborating with other businesses can also help you reach a wider audience and expand your reach. So there you have it, guys. Those are my tips for creating a successful online business through goal setting and other important steps. Remember, it's not always easy, but with hard work, dedication, and a clear plan in place, you can achieve your dreams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the content in this video that provides info for you to learn about online business. I appreciate that very much. So again, if you new, just hit the like button and subscribe. This is Business is Money 26. The one is out. Let's go.